wakes me up with hugs and cheer, my super dad. Fixes toys and wipes my tears, my super dad. He works hard every day, but still makes time to play. Oh, how I love him in every way, my super dad. He tells the best stories late at night, teaches me what's wrong and what is right. He's strong and kind and cool, he's my golden rule. He makes my world so bright, my guiding light. Daddy, daddy.
So, how has your perspective on fatherhood changed over the years?
Well, I must say father is someone who is a great figure, but who never comes in front, who do a lot of sacrifices behind the curtain, who grow the child from scratch and do a lot of sacrifices every now and then at different stages. As we grow, we are someone who go to college after our 12th, and then, in college, we are doing a lot of fun, but at the back, we are he is the one from whom we get the pocket money to ensure that we will have fun in the college. And then, once we get the job, it's very important for us to share our earnings with the father to ensure that whatever sacrifices he has done, it should get equals. But anyways, we will not be able to equal it because father is very huge figure. And I just wanted to say that, the Father Day is approaching. I think it's on 15th of the coming 15th of June, right?
Yeah.
So father is a figure who stands tall along with you like your shadow, but he will never take the front seat, right? But he would do a lot of sacrifices behind the curtain. And having said that, whatever I say, that would be less. I must say that. Thank you very much.
What's your favorite memory with your father?
My favorite memory would be the first time I hugged him on Eid. Mostly हम क्या करते हैं कि आफ्टर नमाज में को विशेष करके हम congratulate करते हैं regularly. The first time I hugged him was very emotional for me and such a all-time memory.
Or what's the best piece of advice that he has ever given to you?
Okay, so it's not one of my father's originals, but most of the time he quotes some writer, I don't remember his name, but he quotes a writer who said that do your duty that lies nearest to you, the next duty will be cleared itself. So I'm trying to do the
So
same
do
thing.
you try to make it?
Yeah, I'm trying in my daily life to do that same thing. Somehow I manage.
Thank you. What's your favorite memory with your father? So, my favorite memory would be once when I was in 7th class and I was on a trip to Odisha with my father. So, we had a really special moment there. We went to some really braced, cool beaches and we visited Jagannath Puri, which was really blessed. And since we have grown up and now we are into corporate life, so we did not get many chances to be on a trip. So that's the memory that I'm very fond of with my father and actually my mother and sister. Yeah. So what's the best piece of advice that he has ever given to you? So my father, he has always been the still person. So he has always asked me to stay calm in any situation and to be your original version, not to pretend everything. Yeah. Stay calm and relax in any critical situation, especially now that we have entered into the real world. Yeah. That's something that he has always advised.
So what's your favorite memory of your father?
मैं अपने पापा के साथ पूरी फैमिली हमारी एक ट्रिप पे गई थी. It was near West Bengal border, so that was quite an experience because he showed us around where he worked. Right? So that's the place which has a deep impact on me.
So is there an advice that he has ever given to you that you still keep?
Yeah, he told me to find good in most of the situations because there's always a golden thing, golden hope or something like that in every bad situation, whatever.
How has your perspective on fatherhood changed over the years since you're also father? So
Has been changed drastically. If I do compare, IT was not there, mobile was not there, internet was not there. If I can remember my time. So I used to play most of the time outside of the home, and I don't fear of my father when he used to come from office to home. But now the children are move away from these. Obviously, the studies are there, but still there are lots of resources that been there, and there's a plus and minus. I would say outside play is always necessary. You have to get to your soil, and that's how the immunity also would be boosted. But that is something we are lacking. So I would say, as a father, we should be giving our children who are been from last 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, to let them play with the roots of our traditional values, and also maybe we also wanted to let them play with their grandparents also, and also need to have some family values. That's all.
So, what's the best piece of advice that your father has ever given to you?
So that way I can give, but I really want to follow, but somehow due to the work pressure, I don't follow that to spend the quality time. Normally as an IT, we do have a call in the evening for the US time zone, so I hardly give that time, the bad time and everything. So that is something I really wanted to give the advice, but that is something I'm not even following myself.
So, what's the favorite memory that you have with your father?
Okay, for me, my favorite memory, because my only father was there when I want to participate in any dance cultural programs. So my mother got fight that why you are always supporting her. Okay, go for the dance competitions and all. So what he did, carried to the market, and he brought everything for me, whatever I need for that dance competition. And that memory I always cherish for my life.
What's the best piece of advice that your father has ever given to you?
So the advice which he gave me, first of all, I want to say thank you for that advice. Why? I'll give you the reason also. That he always said to me that whatever you do not do with the others' perfection. Like how others see, do it with your perfection. Do whatever you do at your best. So the perfection means by yourself, not by the others who take. So that is what my father told me. And to all fathers there, happy Father's Day, and thank you so much for not saying but for doing everything for us. Thank you so much.
What's the best piece of advice your father has ever given to you?
तेरे कौन से खेत सूख रहा है? So he used to ask, why are you so stressed? Life is a cycle. There will be good times, there will be bad times. There will be times when you don't know what to do, but everything is just a journey. It's a cycle. So परेशान होने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Don't get stressed. Don't get worked up. Take a chill. So, in quotes, तेरे कौन से खेत सूख रहा है?
So, what's a small, everyday thing that your father used to do that you would also pass on as being a parent?
So, he used to do a lot of things. I think I have adapted a lot of his qualities in me, but and it's hard to pass on any of the one quality. I think it's genetics, then get it anyway. But one thing he always did was he had my back. And I was very sure no matter what I do, no matter where I am, he has my back. And I think that is the feeling which I want to pass on to my kids also, that no matter what they do, where they are, they have me as a parent, and I'll have their back. So on behalf of all the Cloudonology family, I want to thank all the fathers out there who wake up in the morning every day, no matter what they are going through, go to office, go to work, earn for their families. Don't show their emotions too much because they have to be strong. Standing strong as a pillow for not just their families but the extended families sometimes. It's because of you that daughters like me have the strength to fight and win in this world. So I thank all the fathers out there for being the kind of father you are.